Oh, maybe I can walk through walls. No, God mode is too powerful. Hello everyone, it's me, Game Tracker, and today we're going to be talking about the cheating method for the most sophisticated and privileged among us. Yes, of course, yes. The mod menu, yes. We're going to be talking about mod menus. What are they? What's so special and sophisticated about them? The dangers and advantages of using them, how to use them. However, guys, now, this is a game hack, a game cheating method. If you guys are not already aware of all the basic information about game cheating in general, I recommend you head over to hackerbot.net. Just go to hackerbot by googling hackerbot or game cheats, or game hacks rather. Go to our learn cheating section, and there you will find all the basic information, including videos, which I am right now making. So you don't even have to read articles. Go to Game Hack and you will find all the basics, alright? Because I'm not gonna go over all of the basics again. Basically, a mod menu is just like, for example, a modded APK or another game mod, a more sophisticated version of that, of course. The general advantages of mod menus are that they are generally premium software. That means it's not just some random file made by some random person on the internet, uploaded, where you don't know if maybe it's a virus, maybe it's a scam, maybe it's gonna show me ads, maybe it's gonna keylog all my inputs, who knows, right? It's usually made by recognizable names in the game cheating industry and by programmers with a good reputation, with a lot of experience, that know what they're doing. It's going to have more features, better support, faster updates, easier installation process, and many more features. And of course, the in-game menu where you can toggle on and off. Yes, maybe an aimbot. Oh, maybe I can walk through walls. No, God mode is too powerful. Let's not do that. No. Oh, jumping high, yes. So basically, that's what it does. You can customize your cheating experience, but however, usually that comes at a price. I told you guys, these things are generally made by the best in the business. And yes, game cheating is a business. Yes, we treat it as a business. It's the best business. Anyways, so, but it's basically premium software. And while a lot of mod menus will allow you to download a free light version of or a trial version, generally the full versions will be for subscribers only, which means people that pay the money, because this is how the world works. If you want something that is really good, you probably have to pay for it, right? So that is just how it works. Now, mod menus are generally what I personally, if you're not entirely broke and you care about cheating in a video game, I believe personally it's worth the investment, because basically you're paying not only for better software, you can basically assume that the thing is going to be updated once the game receives an update in a reasonable amount of time. Of course, it's not going to be instantly. Mods need to be updated. A human has to do it, so it can't be instant, right? You can't expect it to be updated in 3 minutes. But while free mods, you never know. Maybe it's going to be updated, maybe it's not. When you're paying for it, you get updates, okay? If the cheat is still possible, if they haven't patched the cheat itself, which in certain cases like aimbots or wall hacks is not even possible, you're gonna get updates. So I would simply use mod menus because I don't want the danger of getting banned, and these things, they will make sure, since they're getting paid, they will make sure you don't get banned, else you might want your money back. They will get updated quickly. They will have all the available powerful options that you're looking for, and you can just skip the part where you have to look for new free mods all the time with every update of the game, which is quite a hassle. And if you've ever looked for cheats on the Googles, you know how it works, right? You just Google Coin Master Hack, and you get a lot of fakes. You get a lot of stuff that doesn't work, that are impossible. That's us, that's legit. Unlimited coins, unlimited spins, and then it links you to some kind of generator, of course, which are all fake. That's not what you want. So if you're looking for legitimate mod menus, what I recommend you do is you head over to hackerbot.net. You can simply Google game hacks or hackerbot, go to hackerbot.net, go to download cheats. You will find a guide on how to use our hack finder tool in order to find legitimate cheating software from legitimate providers that have a proven track record, that don't give you viruses, that host people that are actually legit, that are actually creating good software, exactly what you're looking for. And you just enter the name of your game, and if you're on mobile, also the version of your game. So for example, PUBG Mobile 17.0, and you will find the most sophisticated, best apps and mods and mod menus for that particular game. Okay, that is how it works. Now, the installation process for mod menus will be similar to that of other mods. The most popular place to use mod menus is just like the most popular place to use mods in general. So on Android, you're gonna get the most mod menus. Especially since there's also tools like Game Guardian. If you're interested in what that is, go to our software section on hackerbot.net. Under Android, you will find Game Guardian. It's a tool that allows you to hack games on your phone, and there are Lua scripts for that can basically act as mod menus where you can activate individual automated cheats. Okay, so it's basically the same as a mod menu, but not really, because you're editing the app after the fact and not before you install it. So that's the difference. Those are the kinds of mod menus. On iOS, it's going to be a lot harder because there is no dedicated software for doing it right now. Game Jam is the best you can do, which doesn't have automated scripts. There are mods and mod menus for iOS as well, but there is far fewer, and it's generally harder to install, especially since there are no emulators for iOS. There are ones for Android, like this one. Right now it's not working for some reason, but what can you do? Always when you're recording videos, stuff doesn't work. But yeah, on Android you have these emulators, and as always, guys, I recommend, if you're going to use mods, please use an alternative account and an emulator first in order to test it. If you're not getting banned, if it all works, then use it on your main account. Whenever possible, don't try to root your newest, latest Android or iOS device or jailbreak it, because it can brick your phone, and emulators allow you to simply, by 2 button presses, root the emulator. And if you get malware on your emulator, you can just simply uninstall it, reinstall it, and it's all good. Clean slate, you can start over, no malware, no harm done, right? So I always advocate for cheating in a safe way. Also, guys, don't abuse the cheaterinos too hard, okay? If you just run around, you know, maybe in your latest shooter, oh yes, aimbot, yes, wall hack, yes, and you could just kill everybody, and you're getting banned, and you're like, oh, I didn't do anything bad, oh. But yeah, you did, you were toxic, you were obviously using a cheat without hiding it. That's how it's gonna go. So guys, please use the cheaterinos with respect. We might be cheaters, but we are sophisticated and very, very nice people as well. So please, use the aimbot when, you know, your team is losing, you're getting spawn camped, you know, to even out the odds. Don't be toxic. Don't be toxic. It pays in life not to be toxic. You will make more friends. You will not get banned from video games. You know, girls will like you more, so that's a good argument as well. Anyways, guys, that's it for me. You know, when I'm going on about girls, that's when I probably should end the video. Anyways, guys, thanks you guys for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, if you've learned anything new, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more of this silly content, and I will see you in that next one. Bye-bye!